Hello, this is Mathematics 10 and lecture number 7. Today we talk about how to factor a quadratic expression of this form, x squared plus bx plus c. How do we factor this? Let's have some examples. Example 1. The way we factor this is to factor the number 12. Let us write this way. 12 is 1 12 is 1 times 12, and from this sign plus, we need to add these two numbers, so 1 plus 12 is 13. And we compare this number with the 7. They are not the same, so this is not my result. So 12 is 2 times 6. We add again. 2 plus 6 is 8. No, because I want 7. 12 is 3 times 4. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. So that's my two numbers, 3 and 4. So that's it. That's my answer. One more example. This. Let me erase this. Just like example 1, I need to write down all the factors 6. 6 is 1 times 6. This is a plus sign, so I need to add 1 and 6, which gives you 7. This is not 7, so not right. 6 is 2 times 3. I add 2 plus 3 is 5. But this is 4, so not right. That's all I have. 1 times 6, 2 times 3. No more numbers which can multiply to get 6. So that's all I have. But I do not have 4, so no factors. Number 3. Okay. I need to factor the 28. 28 is 1 times 28. This is plus, so you need to add. 1 plus 28 gives you 29. Ah, this is 29, so I have it. So this is equal to why do I write negative, but before I write plus? Because this is plus 7, but this is minus 29. Now, let me tell you how to double check your answer. Make sure your answer is correct. This is my answer. How do I know my answer is correct? 3 plus 3 multiplied plus 4 is plus 12. Plus 3 add plus 4 is plus 7. So this is right. Now this one I do not have factors. Minus 1 multiplied minus 28, I have plus 28. Because minus and minus make plus. Minus 1 add minus 28 is minus 29. So this is right. That's how you double check. Next. Number 4. Okay, let me erase more. Factor 18. 18 is 1 times 18. I have minus now, it's different now. Here you have a plus, but now I have minus. Minus means you have to take the difference. What's the difference between these two numbers? Is 17. But I do not have 17, so this is not right. And then 2 times 9 is 18. I must take the difference. The difference between 2 and 9 is 7. No, that's not right because I want 3. So the next is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And the difference, see this minus, the difference between 3 and 6 is 3. I want a difference 3. Now I write I have two numbers, 3 and 6. These two numbers multiply to get negative 18. That means one number must be plus and the other number must be minus. So that plus and minus multiply to get negative. Then if you combine these, if you put them together, you get plus 3. So, because we already know one number is plus, one number is minus, and I put them together, I need a plus 3. Therefore, 6 must be plus, 3 must be minus. Only this way. When you put them together, you get plus 3. So, let's check again. Plus 6 multiplied minus 3, you get minus 18. Plus 6 add minus 3 is plus 3. So this is right. That's how you check. Example 5. Okay. 21. 21 is 1 times 21. I need the difference. The difference between 1 and 21 is 20. This is not right. Okay, so 21 is 1 times 21, and the difference between 1 and 21 is 20, which is not right because I want the difference 4. So 21 does not have a factor 2. But I can use 3. 21 is 3 times 7. And I want the difference to be 4. And it is right, because the difference between 3 and 7 is 4. But look at here. I want the difference to be negative 4. Therefore, 7 has to be negative. 3 has to be positive. So, this is my answer. Okay? Minus 7 and plus 3, put them together, you get negative 4. If you multiply this and that, you get negative 21. Okay. Sixty-four. 64 is 1 times 64. I want to add them together. So, add them together, 65. Not right, because I want 16. 2 times 32. So add them together, 34. Not right. 3, there is no 3. 4, yes, there is factor of 4. 4 times. Then if you add them together, you get 20. No, that's not right, because I want 16. So 5, no factor 5. 6, no factor 6. 7, no factor 7. So 8, yes, 8 times 8. Now I'm right. 8 plus 8 is 16. That's right. So I have the bracket x minus 8, x minus 8. Look, minus 8 multiple minus 8, I get plus 64. And minus 8 add minus 8 is minus 16. So I'm right, but I can write this as this way of writing it is called a perfect square. Okay. Next. Okay. I have this number 20. So 20 is 1 times 20. I want to add 1 plus 20 is 21. I don't have 21, so that's not right. So it can be 2 times 10. If I add, I get 12. No. 3 doesn't work. 4 times 5 is 20. And I add, it's 9. So that's it. But now it is slightly different from what we have before. Because this is power 4 and power 2, but that doesn't matter. Because I can write this way. But remember, one number is 4, the other number is 5. So that's my answer. Let's double check. 4 plus 4 multiplied plus 5 is plus 20. Plus 4 add plus 5 is plus 9, so that's right. You see, x squared times x squared is x to the power 4. And if you expand, the middle term is x squared. So everything is right. Next example. All right. I have 12. And remember, I have similar things like this, power 4 and power 2. So that is okay, all right? You see, you learn from this, it's okay, all right? 12. 1 times 12, I need to add, that's 13. No. 2 times 6, that's 8. No. 3 times 4, oh, made a mistake. It's not 2 plus 6, it's 2 times 6. And 3 times 4, I add these two numbers, I get 7. Ah, I need 7 here. So that's my answer. So, minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Minus 3 add minus 4 is minus 7. So this is right. But it's not the end, because this can be factored again. Do you see that? Plus 2, x plus 2 times x minus 2 is x squared minus 4. So this form is the difference of two squares. So you can factor it. Remember, when you factor an expression, you have to factor it until you cannot factor anymore. One thing I need to comment is that this is equal to that. And you can continue to write equal to this. It's not necessary that all the equal sign has to be on the next line. No, it's not necessary to write that way. You can write equal, equal continuously on one line. It's allowed. Okay. Next, 9. Okay, let me erase this. Oh, I'd rather write this number 9 on top. Okay. Whoops. Okay. 66 is 1 times 66. I need to take the difference. The difference of this is 65. It's not 27. Oh! I'm not right. Because there is a common factor 3, so I shouldn't do this way. I shouldn't rush. I need to factor out the 3 first. Okay? 3 and a big bracket. Okay, I must factor the common factor first, then I factor the quadratics. This is a quadratic. So 22 is 1 times 22. I subtract. I want 9. This is not right. The difference is not 9. 2 times 11. 2 times 11, the difference is 9. So this is right. So I want plus 9. So 11 must be plus. And the 2 must be positive. 2, oh no, 2 is negative. Okay, let's double check. Positive 11 times negative 2, you get negative 22 here. Positive 11 and negative 2, you put them together, you get plus 9. So this is right. Then keep the 3 outside. You do that. Minus 5 plus 11 is plus 6. So take away the brackets. Combine minus 5 and plus 11, you get plus 6. Take away the curly bracket. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So this is my final result. So far I have given you quite a few examples to factor this form of quadratic expression. Okay, I put down number 1 here because I have another part 2, also factor quadratics. But the difference is that in part 2, I have another number before x squared. So that will be the next lecture. Goodbye. See you next time.